Look at your phone right now. Go to your messages. If you eliminated your family, your coworkers, and the people who only text you when they need something, who is left? For most of you watching this, the answer is a terrifying silence. You sit in a crowded room, but you feel completely invisible. You see everyone else bonding so effortlessly, laughing and making plans, while you stand on the outside looking in, separated by an invisible glass wall. It's easy to tell yourself that you're just an introvert or that people are toxic, but deep down, you know there is a darker psychological truth you're avoiding. Today, we're going to tear down that wall. This is why you have no friends. Part 1. The spotlight paralyzes. The first psychological trap is called the spotlight effect. When you enter a social space, your brain convinces you that there's a massive burning spotlight shining directly on you. You think everyone is watching your posture, judging your clothes, and waiting for you to say something stupid. This hyper-awareness paralyzes you. You become so consumed by the fear of being judged that you filter your words, hide your personality, and project an aura of coldness. People don't reject you because they dislike you. They stay away because your fear makes you look completely unapproachable. Part 2. The ghost of betrayal. But why are you so afraid? Because you're hunting for friends while carrying the ghosts of your past. Psychology calls this rejection sensitivity. Somewhere in your childhood or past relationships, someone you trusted handed you a brutal rejection. Your brain, trying to protect you from that agonizing pain again, built a defense mechanism. Now, the second a new person doesn't reply to your text fast enough, your brain screams, "Run away before they hurt you." You reject them first, sabotaging a potential bond to save your own ego. Part 3. The danger of hyper-independence. You start wearing your loneliness like a badge of honor. You tell the world, "I don't need anyone. I am a lone wolf. I am perfectly fine on my own." But this is a psychological lie. Humans are wired for connection. By refusing to be vulnerable, by never asking for help, and by keeping everyone at a safe distance, you lock yourself inside a self-made prison. You aren't independent, you're just terrified of being human. True connection requires courage. It requires you to step into the light, accept the risk of being hurt, and show the world your authentic, unfiltered self. The invisible glass wall only exists as long as you choose to stand behind it. Put down your armor. Stop overthinking the signals. If you're ready to smash the glass wall and rebuild your connections, hit the subscribe button. This is Unknown Signal.